Matthew is a very good sleeper. Very good sleeper. Matthew, time to wake up. Hi. Good morning.
It's okay.
Hi, it's okay.
I got you. Hi. Oh. Is he sure?
You wake up good too.
Yeah. You ready to play?
Yeah.
Oh.
Good one. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, did you have a good nap?
You ready to play?
Ready to go to Jamboree?